Well, I figured I'd get on here and just say, what up, guys? Welcome to my channel. It's your girl, Sunkissmeboutique. If you don't know, you will. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning to my channel, welcome back. Thank you guys for always showing your girl love. What's good, vlog? Sorry, I have to angle this camera this way because I don't know where my tripod is at for my car. And I had two tripods for my car and I can't find either one of them. And I don't want to use the other one anyway because the magnet on the back of my phone is like broken. So I gotta go home and get the other magnet to put on my phone. Long story. But anyway, what's up, guys? I know it's been like a while. I am currently on the highway headed home. Let me put the windows up. I'm currently on the highway headed home or whatever from work. I know y'all thought y'all wasn't gonna see me anymore because I've been like super quiet on YouTube. I want to start by saying that I'm super grateful for just waking up, being able to go to work, make my bag, and go home, take care of my kids, and just do what I gotta do and do what's necessary for me and be happy doing it. Like, seriously. This month I'm just trying to be more active on my social media, post more, get really in tune with my business, and do what I have to do as far as that go because your girl needs to make even more money. So yeah, I have to buckle down on my business and revamp. Once again, I'm revamping, but not like what I like, not a whole revamp per se, just making sure like I update my products and make sure send out some emails and take some different contact photos and stuff like that. All right, it is another day. I know I was supposed to hit y'all up yesterday and let y'all know I was good, but your girl was tired. Hold on, let me put it. There we go. Your girl was tired. When I mean tired, I was exhausted. As you can see, I have my camera mount back. Super excited. Now I could drive and be like, what's good, guys? You already know the vibes, period. Stop and got everybody breakfast this morning. I'm such in a good mood. Hopefully it stays that way. But in today's agenda, I want to take everybody to the beach because it's going to be hot as fuck. It's going to be 93 degrees. And I want to enjoy my next 4 days off. Yes, because the bitch is calling out tomorrow. Yo, I don't know about y'all, but have y'all been watching Bad Boys? Like, let me turn off my car. Have y'all been watching Bad Boys? Bro, when I mean that show is like lit, it is lit. I love my boo Gutta. Gutta, you is fire. Comment down below if you like Gutta, because I love Gutta with the da-da-da-da-da. Like, I love him. I love him, and I love, what's the other guy name? I mean, if I love him, I should know his name, but I love Anthony. I love his vibe. He always drunk. He lit. I love, where the money reside, that guy, he is hilarious. Yeah, and those are my faves. I don't know, Kirk Franklin's son, I like it, but you give me like weird vibes sometimes, but aside from you trying to act up for the camera, you a vibe too, you cool. And the boys from New York, they were just giving me too much, but what you expect? Niggas from New York, okay, period. Always extra, okay, period. But Your girl about to get out this car. It's mad high. I'm about to go home, change my clothes. Alright, we at the beach. It's a vibe. My girl Krista came along. You already know the deal. Look at CJ having the time of his life. It is definitely lit. And we having so much fun right now. The kids are having a ball. And yeah, it's a vibe. Enjoying our summer vacation.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
What's good, guys? As you can see, everybody is sleeping in the car. We're headed to Grandma's house right now. We are literally stuck in traffic. We'll be there in like about 48 minutes. As you can see, Bae sleep, Mackenzie sleep, Marcus sleep in the back, and the only person that's up is my Miranda. Say hi, Titi. So we up here listening to some music. I figured I'd get on here or whatever. Oh, Marcus is awake. Okay. Yeah. So today we're going to Grandma's house and stuff. We headed there now. We're like 47 minutes out, and we're stuck in traffic. I think I wanted to come a little earlier, but you know, when you have 3 kids and you're traveling, like I said in my last vlog, it's very, very difficult to travel with 3 kids and expect to be on time. It's like really rare, okay? So that's when you got 3 divos, whatever, and daddy and stuff, whatever. So the kids need a lot of stuff. I always want to make sure they got everything. And I'm not even gonna hold you. I am a late packer. I be packing mad late. Oh, I didn't even realize the AC was mad out. But yeah, I'm a late packer, and that's just what it is. But we on the road. We headed there. We good vibes. We're feeling good. As you can see, I got my...
At the roundabout, take the second exit onto US 6 West.
Okay. What was I saying? Yeah. I got my It Girl lashes on. It Girl lashes is going to be on my website, Sunkissmeboutique.com. Make sure you go grab your lashes. Okay, 25 milliliters. All right. Milliliters. 25 lashes. Okay, period. So make sure you go grab it. Alright, let me pay attention real quick, because this roundabout, I always seem to like fuck it up. Okay, so I'm going that way. Alright, so yeah, like I was saying, I have on my It Girl lashes, 25 and they're mink, okay, period. And they are feeling really good to the eye. It's definitely giving me cat eye. But anyway, let me start advertising to y'all. Just go grab your lashes at Sunkissmeboutique.com. A lot of people are trying to get over here, so yeah. Alright, so we stopping at McDonald's to get everybody something to eat, because we are starving. And alright, well, y'all already starting. Anyway, Lord Jesus. But anyway, we waiting to order. Everybody's gonna get Mackenzie, you want a cheeseburger or you want nuggets?
Nuggets.
Nuggets? Ugh. You want nuggets?
Welcome to McDonald's. Will you be using the mobile app?
No.
What can I get for you?
Can I get one order of the, is it the 20 piece?
Yeah, just ask her for the nugget bundle.
The nugget bundle?
What was that?
Can I get the nugget bundle?
The 6-piece?
The 20 piece?
What was that?
The 20 piece for $10?
20-piece?
Yeah.
20-piece nugget? Large?
It's the bundle, right?
One second.
You fucking dumb? Are you fucking dumb?
Okay, so your total is $43.44 first window.
Okay, thank you. Lord Jesus, like, Shorty couldn't even get it together. I hate ordering food because and they mess up and they keep messing up and then they get irritated and I don't be wanting them to spit on my food, so. Alright, look at everybody, look up.
Oh, my hair messed up.
No, it's fine. It's fine, it's still cute.
Hey,
Say hey.
Mom does that
You want to do it for me? Whew. Gotta make sure your car's clean. I'll be playing. We'll hit you up when we actually settled in and all that good stuff. So they are cooking. And look at Abuela. Say hi, Abuela. Abuela is chilling on the hammock. Look at her, nice and relaxed. That's what I'm talking about. Enjoying the nice weather. Miranda's over here playing in the pool.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move.
Alright, so it's later on in the afternoon and my eyelashes, I have to take them off. Your girl's getting tired. And these kids are running around playing Pikachu. I guess that's the name of the game. My daughter's over here throwing.
No. Over here.
Miranda, Mackenzie.
Yeah.
Come back where we could see you, please.
Oh,
They're over here playing Pikachu. Miranda over here throwing the ball at Miranda. Mackenzie head thinking it's a Pokeball. They are hilarious. But anyway, we had a great ass time eating hot dogs, burgers, chicken. Everything was on point, and I'm getting full and tired. So I hope y'all having a great 4th of July weekend. And yeah. Catch you guys later. Today we are all out. The whole family's outside today. We're about to go out and go eat. You know, grab some breakfast and just vibe out and just chill. As you can see, I got my son with me. What happened? What's up?
They want me to ride in with Grandpa and Andy.
Okay. So Grandpa and Grandma taking their car? Both of them? Yeah. Okay, that's great. So yeah, we all just chilling, vibing out, relaxing. This food that I ordered, a challenge. Look how big, I can't even tell you how big that is. You're tripping.
Wait too low? That's it. If you're right.
Wait till around, everybody goes in.
Yeah. Everybody eat pancakes and half sausage and eggs.
Alright guys, it's the very next day. Today is like literally Tuesday. We decided to stay an extra day, spend the 4th of July with family, and yeah, right now we're on our way home. I'm just taking the girls home. Marcus decided to stay, so we will be right back on Monday to pick him up. We had a very good time. Y'all already know, back to regular scheduled programming. Hold on. There we go. Anyway, back to regular scheduled programming because I have to work and Bae has to work, so we have to go back home. So we were headed home now. We just stopped at the gas station to get a couple of things. I got my water to keep me hydrated on the wall, keep me hydrated on the road or whatever. So yeah, I'm excited to go back to work. I'm lying.
I was thinking I'm gonna get 2 more. I got 3 so far, but should I get 2 more bananas? Or should I get dark leaf as well?
2 more bananas, but we could always get dark leaf. If you don't stop slamming my fucking door. But anyway, yeah. Mackenzie, okay? Huh? You want me to spray the air freshener?
No.
Huh?
No.
You okay? You just sighing? Okay. So yeah, we just stopped at the gas station to get some flavored wraps for Bay, and we're headed on our way home. So yeah, guys, we'll see you in a little bit or whatever. We'll see you in a little while. We shall be there in about an hour and 30 minutes. So it's raining a little bit, so I'm trying to get home before it really gets bad. So yeah. So alright, so we're about to head out. We'll see you on this. We'll see you when we get home. Alright guys, we made it home safely. We're back in the crib. Everybody's relaxing now. I'm about to take a shower, take a little nap before I go to work. Y'all already know the vibes. Back to scheduled programming. So I wanted to close out this video with you guys. I hope you liked our little vlog. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. You know, it helps us out a lot. And yeah, road to 300 subscribers, guys. Let's get it. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys stay devoted to yourself and to your life and stay forever Sunkiss. Make sure you stay hydrated because it's hot out. And I'll see you on the next video.